Entrepreneur, it means risk taker. But Vontoba is a calculated risk taker.
Like, he is a stone cold winner, and he's just quiet and cool, calm, collected.
My wife shared, hey, we got eczema. You had eczema as a kid. I've got eczema. We got dry skin. Let's try to come up with a solution for that.
How can we create a product that could also help with eczema and dry skin just as well as, if not better, than a pharmaceutically chemical formulated product?
We put together a business plan and entered a business plan competition. We lost. We entered another business plan competition and lost. And we decided, okay, we're just going to launch anyway. It was with Psyche's sales experience in her previous role, and then my banking experience, maybe we could pull this off.
And then they transition into lotions and different personal products. And I've just watched them grow and expand.
And so we found the location, sourced ingredients, found people, and shipped those orders within 2 months while my wife was 36 weeks pregnant.
When we realized that our $40 had swiftly turned into $250,000, I'm like, we could hit $1 million. But the catch is you have to quit your full-time job, and that's what's supporting us, and that's what's paying our mortgage, and that's what's paying for the kids' school.
She called me up. She said, it's time. I said, okay. And I took that leap.
And remember, Von was in the banking and insurance business, and now he joins, without any background, this health and beauty business and helps it thrive.
I was able to look at what those companies were buying, how they looked at strategy, structure, and apply that to our small business.
You learn so much in that area that when it came time for me to use my skills of influence and relationship with selling, we came across so put together.
And so we set out to find our first retail customer, and we landed TJ Maxx. So now fast forward to today, we have about 40 products that are sold in over 30,000 retailers.
I know that the stay in those stores is because we operate bigger than we are, and we operate bigger than we are. That would be because of him.
So we find if we can add value more than our competition or our peers, then we can still compete and have a space on the floor.
So when we were able to win that Inc. 5000 award together, it felt really good.
It was like the top 1% of African-American businesses in the country, and I was blown away.
We didn't mind that we had a small team and that we were in a 3,000 square foot warehouse because we knew where we had come from to get there.
Own a business, be married, and raise a family. And I don't know if it's a semicolon or if it's an equal, but I get to do it with my best friend.
See, many people have been helped along the way, and then when they make it, they forgot. But Von hasn't forgotten.
BGSU holds a special place in my heart because thanks to the generosity of others, I graduated debt-free, so I got to pay that forward. For every product we sell, we donate to Water is Life, our charity partner. We've helped build more than 5 drinking water wells in Kenya, and we support their efforts.
My prayers were that people would see how big he is and how big his heart is and how smart he is.
It's just absolutely amazing to me because he's basically accomplished something less than 1/10 of 1% of all Black businesses ever accomplished. He's done the impossible.
I just think Vontoba is the greatest person in the world.
This is a journey we're on, decided to be on together. And there's no quit as part of that journey. We can pivot, but we don't quit because of unwavering faith and commitment to the journey and our customers. So, yeah.